In today's video, I'll share my top 30 tips and tricks to make your life easier using your Oculus Quest 2. For some, you need to enable developer mode. If you don't have it activated, I made this 60 seconds tutorial on how to do it. Press and hold the Oculus button to reset your view. Take screenshots by holding the Oculus button and pulling the trigger on your controller. Sync screenshots and recordings automatically with your phone by going into the Files app and turning on the cloud icon on the top right. Turn off Guardian by going into Settings, Developer Mode and switch it off in there. Bring your desk and couch into VR by going into Settings, Experimental Features and adding them there. Now you can enjoy watching YouTube on your couch. Double tap on the sides of your Quest to activate Passthrough. To activate this feature, go into Settings, Guardian and activate it. Measure your IPD with a measuring tape and use the correct settings on your Quest. You can also use positions in between the 3 standard positions if you do it carefully. Some apps dump your memory with temporary data that isn't deleted, so to empty it, reset your Quest. Power off your headset to save battery life and prevent the Zucc from spying on you. Auto-enable hand controls by going into Settings, Hands and Controllers and selecting Auto Switch between hands and controllers. Create an index-like strap with the wrist strap. For this, open the battery cover, pull out the strap and loop it around the tracking ring, then put the strap back in and close the battery cover. Live stream your gameplay to any device in your local network by going into the sharing menu and select either your phone with the Oculus app or computer. Now on the device you want to stream to, go to oculus.com/casting and it should pick up the live stream. Use the Oculus refund policy as long as you bought the game within the last 14 days and played it less than 2 hours. To use it, open the Oculus app on your phone, tap on your profile pic on the top left and select Purchase History. In there, tap on the 3 dots next to the game you want to return and select Request Refund. Use a carpet to mark your play space, this way you always know you can move around without looking for the Guardian. If you're using a link cable, use the fabric loop at the back to get it out of your way. Use the pass-through environment if you want to know where you are at all times. To activate it, open the quick menu and click on this button. If you are a heavy multitasker, you can use up to 3 windows in the browser by clicking on the plus icon above it. Use a fan to trick your body into thinking it's moving to reduce motion sickness. Protect your lenses, so always use something to cover them when not in use and never expose them to direct sunlight, since this will burn holes in your displays. Did you know you can move these up and down? Took me a while to notice. If you're having scratches on your lenses, there's a liquid called Polywash you can use to get rid of them. Make it a habit to clean your headset, especially the lenses for better image clarity and the cameras for proper tracking. If you're using headphones with a detachable cable, get a shorter one so it's out of your way. Use an app called SideQuest to get games and apps that are not on the Oculus Store. I made a full video on how to do it here. Activate 120Hz mode by going into Settings and then Experimental Features. If you're using a link cable, get a pulley system to get the cable off of your floor so you don't trip and damage it or yourself. Manually check for updates by going into Settings, scroll all the way down to the About section and click on the button next to Software Updates. Activate night mode to mess up your sleep less by opening the Quick Options menu and clicking on this button. Get prescription lenses inserts to protect your lenses instead of using your glasses, which will scratch your lenses. And lastly, if you're using a link cable, I made this video to show you how you can get better image quality and more performance out of it. So check it out. Bye!